Hey guys, welcome to today's lesson. I'm going to show you displacing. I'm going to count 1 E and 2 E and and I'm going to emphasize the main accent on the 1 E and So we're going to have 4 variations of how you can take your composing to the next level. So you want to be a little bit more interesting and create a little bit of urgency or something a little different. We'll check this lesson out. So first I'm going to start with the doom, and you can also substitute the tech and the cars as well, okay? Show you an example. First variation, 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and Okay, now if we're going to play on the E, we'll go tech, doom, 1 E, okay? So 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and Okay, now we're going to play on the 1 E and, okay? 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and Alright, fourth variation, 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and Okay, now we can also substitute the dooms to a tech or a car. Okay, so if we're going to play the 1 with a tech this time, we're going to go 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and Okay, second variation, 1 E. It's going to be on the car, it's going to be a hard hit, okay? Hard accent. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and Okay, very simple. Now the third variation is going to be like this: 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and Okay, fourth variation, 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and Okay, now for an example how you can use this in being creative, I'm just going to play something random and it's going to show you an example of how you can be a little bit different with the way that you play the drum. There you go, guys. There's a simple lesson on displacement and how you can be a little bit more creative with your playing. So hopefully you liked today's lesson. I know you would have learned a lot from this. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe to this channel for more lessons, and enjoy the drumming journey, guys.